to remove it so that we can transplant it. So because some people have been asking me question that when are we supposed to transplant these suckers. So we have to when you want to transplant the suckers, you have to wait until when the suckers has already given root. That is the best time for you to transplant it. So we are going to discharge it from the parent plant. You can see. You can see what we have done. So we have discharged this one. So this one alone has given us, you can see the total number of sucker that are there. We are still going again to re-separate these suckers. So here we have just this sucker alone has given us, there are 4 there. There are 4 suckers that this one has given us. So these are 4. I hope we can see. So we have to keep it. We go again, take the next one. We come here, we make sure we want to separate it. We take it plus the roots. You can see this one. We take the next one. We take this one, 7, 2. So I have to make sure I've taken all the 2 suckers. You can see those are all the 2 suckers. So at this level, if we don't remove this sucker and give room for others to grow, then this sucker will not be able to give us the 1,000 that we expect it to give it. So we're expecting this sucker alone to give us 1,000. So we have already removed 25 plus this number that we are counting today will give you the total number of sucker that this sucker alone has given us. So we just have to continue to remove. So this one, there are still 4. You can see there are 4 suckers. We just have to make sure we remove all of them. We come here, we remove, make sure we remove. So this one alone, 3. So we are going to separate them and put them inside the back. So at this level, we are just discharging from the mother plant. So this one here, I'll just remove it. You can see the total that is here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one alone, it has 6 suckers. So we just have to keep them and come to this one and come to this one. This one has just 2. This one is having 2 suckers. Then there's still another little one here that is shooting. So you can see the sucker. We just have to put them together. Then you can see this one here. We're even counting it, and we see some that at the corner, like this one is having 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to remove all the 4. I have to remove all the 4. So these are all the 4. So now we can see that our parent sucker, that is the main parent sucker here. We see that the sucker is still fresh. that it can still give us some suckers around. So that is why we have to remove it so that other suckers can shoot. Like this one that was seen at this corner, is a sucker that is shooting up, and there are still many suckers that have to shoot. We have another one here that is still shooting. We have this one here is still shooting. So as we remove this set, another set will still be coming up. So for now, we just have to, like this spot that we have removed suckers from there, we have to disinfect all these areas before now. We have to cover it with soil so that it will not be affected. So the next thing, I'm going to show you how we are going to put them in the nursing bag and the type of nursing bag that we are going to use. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, I want you to ask your question, subscribe to the video if you like, and share the video. See you in the next video, how I'm going to plan this thing, put them in their bag, the type of bag, and how we are going to do it. So I just want you to subscribe so that you continue watching the next video, which is this one that we are going to plant it inside the bag. So thank you guys for watching. For now, let me just cover this one up so that sun should not penetrate, burn them. So we just have to cover this one up so that the next generation of sucker can shoot. I told you in this video that this sucker alone has to give us 1,000 suckers. So we have removed about the total number of sucker that we have removed on this sucker is about 63 suckers. So we are still waiting for the suckers to still give us more suckers. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Okay guys, this is our suckers. As I told you before, that I'm going to teach you guys how we are going to transplant this sucker. So this is the sucker that we discharge. You can see, like this one here, you can see. That is why we have to wash them very well. After washing, we are going to treat it before we are putting it inside the planting bag. So the first thing, just have to make sure we clean the suckers very well. You don't have to separate, because looking, we have still other suckers that still have to shoot from here. So we have to, when taking, we make sure that we do not destroy it, so that even when we plant, other suckers can still come out from it. You can see how we are doing it. This is the tissue. This tissue does not have any work, so you can see this is how we have to prepare it and plant them inside the nursing bag. So you can see that is our suckers. So after this, we have to treat it and take others. A sucker like this one, as far as he has put root at the corner, as far as this root is there, we can separate it. So this one is a sucker on its own, because he has his own root. This is his own root. So this one here is a sucker on its own. So we just have to clean them, rinse them, and put. So this is a sucker. This is how we have to prepare our sucker for planting. See a sucker like this one, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he has the number 6. This is the 6. So this one, you can see. So a sucker like this one, we have to remove it. We just have to make sure we remove it. So we are still giving. So this one has to give us this other sucker 1, 2, 3, 4. They are still to grow. This one, they are still to grow. We just have to allow them like this. Yes, we have to allow them like this so that they can grow. You can see this one. You can see this one. He has 1, 2, 3. He has the 4th one here. So we just have to make sure we cut this root away. Take the root away. Rinse. So we have to remove this one. So we have to see. You have to cut some of the roots, not all. See. Take. You have to allow these two so that this other one can grow. These are 3. You can see a sucker like this one. This is a sucker on its own. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we just have to separate them in the middle. We'll plant these two like this. We'll plant it. This one, we'll plant it like this. This one. So guys, that is it. So that is it. So the next step now, we are going to put them inside the nursing bag. We have to treat them before we put them inside the nursing bag. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching as we go and put them inside the nursing bag. Yes guys, after we have treated our suckers, after we have treated our suckers, wash them. After we have washed our suckers, so the next step now we are going to treat them. So this is our suckers. This is our little suckers. So the next step now we are going to make sure we treat them. So we want to treat them. This is our solution that we have made. And if you don't know how to make this solution here, I have made a video for you guys on how to make this solution. If you want to know how I make this solution, I will drop the video link in the video below, in the description box below, so that you can go and learn how you can make this solution. So we are just going to drop our suckers inside our solution. Make sure we drop all our suckers into the solution so that the sucker can be really treated. You have to drop it in the solution so that it can be treated for about 30 minutes before we are going to remove it. So the next thing now, I'm going to teach you to show you how you are going to put the manure inside the planting bag. So we are treating the sucker. So down here, this is our manure, and this manure is made out of soil and compost manure that we have made. So we are going to use this manure to nurse our suckers with it. So that is the manure. So the next thing, I want to show you the type of planting bag or nursing bag that we are going to use.